Wake up! Wake up!
Why is everyone shouting wake up?
Oh, it's morning already. Then it's all right. I woke up. Sparky!
What a lovely morning it is today. The weather is great outside, the sun is shining nicely and Fluffy is reading a book in the yard. Reading a book? Wait a second, when did Fluffy learn to read? He's a cat. Probably it seemed to me.
Hi guys! Today I have a new vlog for you, one day in the life of Buddy on Earth. I just want to show you how one day in the life of a robot explorer on your planet goes.
I'll tell you what I usually do and where I go. We'll spend the whole day together. And to make it more interesting, I'll also teach you how to talk about your day. Are you ready to have a great time? Clap if you are.
Great! I wake up at 8 a.m., but then I just lie in bed for a while until Sparky starts screaming. Get up!
Yes, I'm already up. That's what I'm talking about.
Get up!
Now you say get up.
Get up.
Well said. That's how every morning starts for me. First wake up, then get up. I would sleep some more, but I have to go to school today. There's still so much to do before school. First you need to brush your teeth. Yes, robots have teeth too, and they need to be brushed too. It's very important. Repeat after me.
Brush teeth.
Brush teeth.
Great! Teeth are clean. Time to use them for their intended purpose.
Know what I mean? Time for breakfast.
Breakfast.
That's right. Now you repeat after Sparky.
Breakfast.
Breakfast.
Woohoo! Cool! Time to eat. What are we making for breakfast today, Sparky?
How about we make our signature broccoli cake?
Hee hee, I was kidding. I think my chocolate scrambled eggs will do. I brought the recipe from the Jupiter. You'll like it. Well, we've had breakfast. For some reason, Sparky wasn't hungry. I hope he's not sick. Time to get dressed and run to school. The bus will be here soon. Get dressed.
Get dressed.
Great. What costume should I choose? I really wanted to go in my dinosaur costume, but I'm afraid they won't let me go to school in it. I need proper human clothes. Something serious, because I'm going to study, but at the same time comfortable, so I can play with my friends. I've got it! That's it! What do you think?
Nice choice!
Thanks, Sparky! Time for school! Go to school! Unless, I've almost finished building myself a new house in Minecraft. Maybe I should stay home today? Go to school.
Go to school.
Okay, of course I won't skip school. School is fun and interesting too.
Well, here we are. It's time to learn a lot about the world around us.
It's time to study. Time to take classes.
Take classes.
I hope they tell us more about dinosaurs in class today. I love stories about dinosaurs.
Oh no, that's math. Boring. I know all the math. I wonder what they're serving in the cafeteria today.
Great! The lessons are over, so can we play with friends? Play with friends. What do you think?
Play with friends. Oh, today we are playing basketball. I am not very good at this game.
Oh, it's so late! I have to go home! See you later, guys!
So much has happened at school today, but I'm so tired. I can't wait to come home.
Come home. Yes, I'm going. Although wait a second. Why am I going on foot? See you at home. Finally, I'm home. Now I can relax, play video games, watch cartoons. This is life. So many fun things to do, even do homework.
Homework? Sparky, I just got home.
Do homework.
And you're on his side? Okay, I'll go do my homework.
That's it! I did it! I developed a new recipe for breakfast donuts. Homework? I did that before I even entered the lab. It was all easy there. Phew, now I can play a little.
dinner,
dinner.
It's time to eat. And here comes dinner. What do we have here today? Pizza with pineapples? Again, Sparky? Why don't they make me a pizza with oranges? That would be cool.
Take a shower.
What? Do I smell bad? Of course I do. I played basketball today. That means it's time to take a shower.
Robot dances in the bubbling rain. Squeaky clean and shiny, free from any stain. Splashing joyous bubbles, see it twirl and spin. Robot takes a shower with a cheerful grin.
Now I am the cleanest robot on Earth. But I am so tired. I think it is time to go to bed.
Go to bed. Go to bed.
I'm glad you think so too. But before we go to bed, I think we should review everything we've learned today. Wake up.
Wake up.
Get up.
Get up.
Brush teeth.
Brush teeth.
Breakfast. Have breakfast.
Breakfast. Have breakfast.
Get dressed.
Get dressed.
School. Go to school.
School. Go to school.
Take classes.
Take classes.
Play with friends.
Play with friends.
Come home.
Come home.
Do homework.
Do homework.
Dinner. Have dinner.
Dinner. Have dinner.
Take a shower.
Take a shower.
Go to bed.
Go to bed.
Thank you for spending this day with me. I hope you found my day interesting and learned a lot of new words and expressions. Review everything we learned today and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There's still a lot of interesting things ahead. Woohoo!
Loved learning new words with Buddy? Install the Buddy.ai app. You'll discover even more new words and have real conversations with Buddy. Plus, enjoy lots of cartoons and educational games to learn English. Try learning English with Buddy for free by using the link in the description below the video.